Alright, so today in SketchUp we are going to begin working on our basic house. Alright, so we'll start out by deleting Uncle John there. Remember to save this to your network profile and then make a basic house. And we will save that. Alright, so we're not going to worry as much with dimensions right now. We're just going to get some extra practice here. So let's take our rectangle tool, okay, and let's make a big old rectangle. Alright, so that is my size there. And next thing I want to do, let's pull up on this. Alright, let's see, that's about 14 feet. Somewhere in there is good, about 12 feet, doesn't matter really. Not worried about dimensions that much. Okay, so I have a long house that I'm going to make, long and narrow. Alright, so the next thing we want to do, let's find the midpoint. Okay, click, and click here. I'm on the midpoint on both sides. Alright, let's create a pitch here. Got the move tool. Alright. And I am going to grab here, pull straight up the blue axis. Remember, I don't want it to be black, okay? I want it to be straight up the blue axis, that line there, okay? And so you see a house kind of taking shape here. If I want to make my house a little bit smaller, I can probably take my push pull here and make it look a little more reasonable. Alright, so I'm going to orbit around here. Now, we are about to make a chimney, and I recommend going from this view here. Right? You can start anywhere on your roof you like. Right? And so I'm going to click on the face, and I'm going to go straight up here. Okay? Now, I'm going to click right there. Let's orbit around and let's look at that. Uh-oh. That's on the face. That's on the green axis. We don't want it there. Alright, so let's Control Z that. Want to be on the blue axis. If you want to go on the edge here, okay, that might help you out. Saw the blue axis there. We're going to come up just a little bit, so let's orbit around. See, that's the line that we want. Okay, so take the line tool once more. Okay, and take that off there. Line tool. All right, so click on edge, come up. Okay, you see an entrance there. I'm going to click and click once again, and if I flip it around, there's my chimney. Alright, so I can push pull this and come on around here and put it about right in there. Okay, take your eraser, erase those lines. And now you have a chimney. Okay, so let's go to the front of the house here. Let's create some steps. Alright, so have our rectangle here. Go somewhere in here. And grab another line there on that midpoint. Okay, and orbit around. Grab this, pull that out. There'll be some stairs there. Okay, let's draw a door. Okay, maybe our door goes right here. Okay, drop it there. What about a window? Let's have a nice little long window there, so you can orbit around. See that? Okay, you can push pull here. Okay. Back your window off a little bit. Another thing that you can do, Control Z that, is draw some lines. Okay. Alright, so I have some lines here. I'm going to erase this window real quick. One easy way to do this, I don't know why I'm trying to do it that way, is highlight, tap delete if you ever want to delete something really fast. Alright, so you take your rectangle. Okay, I'll make my long window again. Alright, and let's draw some lines here just to show you look at how to make kind of a cool-looking window here. And that's definitely not going to be a cool-looking window. Let's see. Here, about right there. And this is not to scale, so it's not going to look that great, but I'm just practicing. Alright, so I'm going to draw here, here, and here. Alright, so rotate around here. So I can take my push-pull tool, okay, kind of push each pane back a little bit. You can control how much you push them back. Maybe I want to go 3 inches with all of them. Okay, 3 inches, push back, tap 3 and enter. Okay, and 2 enter. Alright, so that's my crazy looking window there. I think that one's still kind of messed up there, but that's alright. Doesn't have to be perfect right now. We're not going for perfection right now, just practicing. Okay, alright, so to make this look more like a door, come around and take your rectangle tool, maybe throw some of these up there, and maybe just like that. You can take your circle tool, really zoom in, put a little doorknob there. Okay. Again, that does not look great, but this is just for practice. So, all right. So, if you would like to add anything else to your basic house, you may do that now while others are working and finishing up. That ends our basic house tutorial.